Welcome to our YouTube exploration into the profound impact of AI on various industries. In this video, we'll dive to 5 sectors where artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape, from healthcare and manufacturing to finance, transportation, and education. Join us on this informative journey that highlights the transformative power of AI in today's professional world. Number 1. Changing healthcare with smart machines. The way we take care of our health is getting a big upgrade thanks to super smart machines. These machines, called artificial intelligence, are making a big difference in how we find, treat, and stop illnesses. Imagine looking at pictures of the inside of our bodies, like x-rays or scans, with the help of AI. Doctors can spot even the tiniest sign of sickness really quickly. This helps them find problems like cancer much earlier, which can save many lives. AI isn't just helping doctors to see things better, it's also finding new medicines faster. It looks through really big sets of information to find possibly new medicines and figure out how well they might work. This means new treatments could be available sooner. Now let's talk about personalised medicine. This means treatments made just for one person. AI looks at a person's genes and medical history to create a special plan to help them get better. This makes treatments safer and more effective. Hospitals are also getting smarter with AI. It helps them use their resources, like doctors, and equipment in the best possible way. And in the operating room, AI-powered robots are helping surgeons do their job even better. With AI and medicine working together, lots of exciting changes are happening. They're making research better, helping doctors find problems, giving us new treatments, and making patients get top-notch care. This means a healthier future for all of us. Smart manufacturing revolution. Welcome to the future of making things. It's all about combining AI, that's artificial intelligence, with industry to change how stuff is created. AI is like a super smart partner that's transforming every part of making things, from designing and building to keeping an eye on quality. Imagine production lines where AI-powered systems can quickly spot if something's not quite right, making sure every product that made it top-notch and nothing goes to waste. With AI, we can also predict when machines might need a tune-up so they don't break down and cause delays. But AI isn't just good at fixing things, it's a whiz at coming up with new ideas too. Think about designing new products. Instead of spending a really long time testing out different versions, AI can help us try out lots of ideas on a computer really fast, which means we can get things done much quicker. And the best part, it's not just about being machines taking over, it's about machines and people teaming up. Picture robots and humans working together side by side, making things better and safer. This big change shows just how powerful AI is in transforming industries and changing the way we create things. Smart computers and money advisors. In the world of money, smart computers are changing everything. They're using their super smart to help us understand and use money better. It's not just about doing maths. These computers can find hidden patterns and tell us things we would, or should I say, wouldn't have known otherwise. Think about having a digital friend who's really good with money. This friend, powered by smart computer tech, knows what you're comfortable with when it comes to risks, what you want to do with your money, and how you want to invest it, then gives you advice that's just right for you. The smart computer also helping people decide where to put their money. They look at lots and lots of information to find out what might happen in the future with things like stocks and investments. This helps regular people make smart choices about their money, not just experts. And that's not all. These computers are also like detectives that can watch bad guys trying to trick us with money. They watch how money moves and can tell if something fishy is happening. This keeps our money safe. So when smart computers and money come together, they're changing how people manage their wealth. They're making things just for you, helping you make choices about money and keeping everything more secure, especially in a world that's confusing about finance. Smart cars and more robots on the road? Get ready for the future of getting around, where cars drive themselves using super smart robotic technology. This doesn't just mean it's going to go places. It's like a whole new way of how to travel. Imagine if your car wasn't just a way to get from A to B. It could also drive itself, keeping you safe as it zips through the city streets. But it's not only cars. Trains, buses, and even planes can also use the smart technology to make things better. Trucks that drive by themselves can carry things around more safely and without mistakes. And here's the cool part. There are smart systems that can help control traffic too. They use really fast calculations and predictions to figure out the best way for cars to go. This saves time and fuel, which is good for the environment. Even planes are getting smarter with this technology. It helps them fly better and safer. Imagine a sky where planes change their paths quickly so that they don't get stuck and waste fuel. All of this smart technology is changing how cities are planned, how cars are made, and how we move around. It's making things safer, more efficient, and better for the earth. Smart computers changing schools. Schools are getting a big change because of smart computers called AI. These computers are making learning super personal just for you. They are special tricks to understand how you learn best and what you like, so that they can teach you in a way that's perfect for you. Imagine having a computer friend that helps you with schoolwork. This friend knows how you're doing and what's hard for you. It then gives you things to learn that match how you learn. This helps you understand things better. But it's not only in the classrooms. These smart computers can also help people who speak different languages understand lessons. They're like magic translators that make learning easy for everyone. These smart computers are changing how we learn, and it's not just about the cool text. They make learning more fun, fit for each person, and help us get ready for the world that's changing really fast. In conclusion, AI impact on these 5 industries is nothing short of transformative. From healthcare, diagnostic, precision, to manufacturing, efficiency, revolutions, financial data-driven insights, transportation, and educational personalized learning. AI potentially knows no bounds. as industries continue to evolve, the partnership between human integration and AI computerized capabilities will define the process of life. As we wrap up this exploration, remember to hit the subscriber button to stay updated with our insightful content. Don't hesitate to share this video with your network and let us know your thoughts and comments section below. Your engagement fuels our mission to explore and share the limitless possibility AI brings to our world. Until we meet again.